everybody, it's Michelle with UnicornSPiT. Of course, you can find me at www.unicornspit.com. You can also find me on Facebook. I have a page, so give us a like. And also, we have a group, so come and join our UnicornSPIT family. Today, I'm here to show you how to take Allure dimensional paint in the clear gloss, mix it with a little bit of UnicornSPIT, and turn it into a piece of wearable art that you can wear to the gym, you can wear it out on the town, and of course it's going to be machine washable as well. So follow along with me as I show you how to spit in style.